Hello everybody, today we make something a lot of people ask me to make. I got zucchini flour, I got fresh mozzarella, I chop already, I got a prosciutto, it's chopped, and I got parsley, pick it up outside my garden, and I got fresh pecorino. I was go the farm this morning, I was taking the milk, and I was making fresh pecorino. Look at this, a nice hard pecorino cheese I got. For the batter, we need baking powder, pinch of salt, I got a flour, vodka, and I got a sparkling water. Let's start with the batter. I need flour. I got over here pinch of salt, baking powder, and I mix this a little bit like that. And now I gotta use vodka. It's no shame using the vodka over here. I like to do this with the vodka, but it's okay. We gotta do this. And we mix with the vodka. Okay, now you can use beers you want. You can use plain water, but I like to use the vodka. It come more crispy and really good with the sparkling water too. Okay, now we start with this. Make sure to not be too thick or too liquid. This in Italy, in my series, we call it pastella. But over here, it called powder. Batter. Okay, batter. It's enough. All right, now this can stay over here on the side. Okay, now we prepare the fiore di zucca, the zucchini flour, and we prepare with the mozzarella, prosciutto, e prezzemolo, and cheese. We start with the mozzarella. And I put it right on this dish over here. And I got the prosciutto. And I got the parsley. Now this, everything gotta be mixed. I don't use no salt over here. The prosciutto, everybody know it's prosciutto, dry prosciutto, it's salty already. I want to put a little pecorino cheese. Okay. And now we can stuff the flour. Now this, it take a little bit of time. Okay, what happen, you gotta open the flour in the middle like this, and you stuff with the cheese and the prosciutto inside. Like I say, take a time, and you stuff. After you take this, you see this, and you close like that. That's the way now I gotta do all this. It take a little time to be done. Now, one time this is done, and we start to fry. I got the pots already with the oil. I gotta be hot, and we start to fry the zucchini flour. This is a vegetable oil, and we start with the pastella. I got one more to go. All right. Now this, make sure to flip both sides. Okay, you gotta cook both sides. That's why you got a lot of oil. Okay, you gotta be deep inside of the oil. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Now it got a nice color. And now we take it out. And I got over here paper towel on this dish. Okay, I leave it drain dry the oil. And this smells so good already. Okay, now it's cool off a little bit. And I want to try my beautiful zucchini flour. This zucchini flour, I remember when I was working a farm, and my mother and my father, he was making this. Everything it was fresh with the prosciutto, cheese, everything. This, everybody gotta make this. It's so delicious. And look inside, nice, crispy. I want to say to everybody, thank you very much to everybody. Tell everybody to look my recipe. Thank you very much. Look at that. Look at this. So good.